Oppo Reno8 T unboxing. First, we'll take a look at the sleek and stylish design of the Oppo Reno8 T and explore its impressive specs and features. Then, we'll dive into the unboxing and see what accessories and extras are included in the package. I'll also give you a quick rundown of the setup process and show you how to get started with your new Oppo Reno8 T. From there, I'll share my initial thoughts and opinions on this device, including its camera capabilities, battery life, and overall performance. So sit back, relax, and join me on this exciting journey as we unbox and explore the Oppo Reno8 T together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos like this one.